What are you getting?
Kyla, I'm gonna get you something special, okay?
What is it that you get? Here it is. Say thank you. Uh-oh.
Do you need a fork, hon?
Yes, please. Say thank you. Is it good?
Does it taste good?
Yay!
Kyla, this is because you're a good boy.
Yeah.
I love you.
Oh, this is.
What is that?
Hey, Pop.
Pop?
Lift it up. Lift it up.